Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the no signal issue on an Amazon Fire TV stick.
Fix 1. Check HDMI connection. Step 1. Make sure your Fire TV stick is fully plugged into the TV HDMI port. Step 2. Try a different HDMI port on your TV. Step 3. If using an HDMI extender, remove it and connect directly. Fix 2. Restart Fire TV stick. Step 1. Unplug the Fire TV stick from the TV and power source. Step 2. Wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Step 3. Turn on the TV and select the correct HDMI input. Fix 3. Check TV input source. Step 1. Press the TV's input or source button. Step 2. Select the HDMI port your Fire TV stick is connected to. Step 3. Confirm the TV recognizes the signal. Fix 4. Use the Fire TV power adapter. Step 1. Avoid powering the Fire stick from the TV USB. Step 2. Plug the Fire stick into the original power adapter and outlet. Step 3. Turn on the TV and check the display.